Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Binance application on your Android phone. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange which is currently the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. If you'd like to download Binance application on your Android device, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by going to your Play Store on your Android device. Go to the search box at the top and type in Binance in the search box and make your search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. Tap on the app in order to view further information about the app. If you'd like to download the application right away into your smartphone, tap on the install button in green to begin the downloading process. Before downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once you are, you can download your application quick and easy. After the application is downloaded, wait for it to install. Once the application has been installed, tap on the Open button to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download the Binance application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.